We are at Bear Lake, Utah, holding our Griffiths family reunion. All the kids are still in bed. We didn't go to bed till very late. And look at what I'm watching.
There must be something about this bay or cove right in here, because last night there were literally hundreds and hundreds of geese that came in and set right down here in this area, about 200 or 300 yards.
Well, the house didn't stay quiet very long. These little people. That is so cute. Every time I look at him, he has a different baby on his lap.
Stay and you will see all the things you make me feel.
I told you our time was coming.
That I am more than just a friend, and I will be there to the end.
The kids are all down at the lake, and Ellie has got lunch started for us. We are going to have street tacos today for all of us, and I can't wait to show you. It smells delicious in here, and it's only 9:30 in the morning. Ellie.
Oh, Mom, don't
What are you doing?
I was shredding the chicken, but
Oh, that's a quick way to do
I
it.
did it in the sink so that when it flew, it made a mess.
I was going to ask you where you learned that from. Did we learn it from you, Ellie?
I learned it from a friend of mine,
Ooh, that's
and
gonna
I
be
thought
really
it was
good.
gross at first. I was like, I'm never doing that. But then I'm like, it actually shreds it perfectly.
Okay, so you put a bunch
Chicken?
of chicken in there.
Yep, salt, pepper, teriyaki sauce.
Just a bottle of that.
Yep.
Okay. And then you let it cook for a couple hours, 2-3 hours,
4 hours, and
and then shut it.
then
let it
we'll
cook.
make street tacos. I took all the limes and I rolled them, and you can kind of hear the juice squeeze. That way when you cut them up, it's like nice and loose and ready to get on your taco.
That's smart.
We've got some salsa verde. You can't have tacos without that. I love crushed pineapple on mine too. And then cilantro. And I'll cut up like 2 tomatoes because I'm sure none of the kids will eat those.
Ooh, I love cilantro. Tommy, let Grandma look at you. Let me see.
Show them where your lotion is.
You're not going to get a sunburn today, are you?
No, not in that particular spot.
Oh my gosh. I am so ready for lunch. Don't judge how I cut, guys.
It's going right in my tummy. Are going to be so delicious, Ellie.
So excited to eat. Hot, 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 hot tacos!
Will be there to
Who is so excited? I am.
Here you go, Tommy. Here's another bite. Did you poo-poo? Oh yeah, that's poo-poo. Don't touch it. No. Hey. Time out.
So Mom doesn't think Dad's feet are so cute going in rinsing off, does he?
No, we need little girls.
She's uninterested.
It's good. I'm gonna let the adults go first. So if you're wet, sweetheart, I want
up.
everyone back. So stay first.
In prayer. Our Father in heaven, we are grateful for this wonderful sunny day. We're so grateful.
Take it easy.
The kids think I'm the rudest.
No way.
I say yes.
Scoot it a little.
So how do you do this?
Stick it in.
Hey, I'll get you up like, okay, Cooper, maybe I'll.
Grill feels amazing.
And I put not much in it because your hands are gonna be so messy. But I love that they're small. You literally eat like 10 of them.
Sounds like a challenge. Challenge accepted. She said 10.
That right there. So.
stay and you will see.
We've been coming to the same place to have a family reunion for a few years now, and each meal is assigned to a different family, and this meal is Ellie's turn to prepare, and so we're enjoying her street tacos.
Pray people out here.
All the little cousins, and you're not so little anymore, they still congregate to their age groups, don't they? And you guys just kind of want to get away from the little kids, don't you?
Yes, we were watching SpongeBob in Mom's room.
So it's breakfast time, and you're making lunch.
Preparing lunch early, getting it out of the way. We're making a chicken salad sandwich and putting it in pita pockets.
And at a family reunion, it's all about food, right?
That's right.
Okay, so this is where you press them? Yeah. Okay, I can do this. Clean.
I have apologized numerous times because I gave him so much crap about bringing this heavy grill. We couldn't have had breakfast or lunch or anything without it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I am an idiot.
Oh, you're welcome. I was glad to help out where I could. You know, anytime, just ask the old man. I'll come through.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's okay. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Now just start throwing that sausage in.
You put a little,
Oh my.
How old is her boy?
did you level this out
No. What?
at all?
Oh, that's a thing. Okay.
Oh, that's a thing.
Okay, we'll know for next time. Okay.
Split some little kids.
Okay.
And if they want more, we'll come back for more. But
Yep, you can have as much as you want. Let me, excuse me, Olivia.
Some more?
it's gonna taste like sausage and syrup. How about? Like good stuff?
I'm going to start making some root beer, and I guarantee as soon as this starts foaming up, I'm going to have 100 grandkids, maybe 20 grandkids surrounding me. I've got 3 gallons of water in this jug, and it calls, don't send me hate mail, it calls for 10 cups of sugar. That's on, no, I know it. That is on the recipe if you're going to do 3 gallons, but I'm going to cut that in half and see how it goes.
So you only put in
That's-
5 cups.
Yeah, I'm only going to put in 5 cups of sugar and one of these. And that is another variety brand of root beer.
Root beer what?
Extract. Root beer extract. Okay, so don't gag. Get up here. It is a lot of sugar.
You know what? It tastes good every year.
It is a lot of sugar. I know.
But that's
But you know, if you're drinking a pop, it's full of sugar too. Okay, so I've got about half of the sugar it calls for. And we're just gonna
Okay,
see
Abby, you scraping the bottom?
Yep, got the
Yeah, because you need to get that sugar off the bottom.
Yep, getting
All right.
the bottom.
Oh, can you smell that? Okay. Yeah.
Oh, the smell.
Okay.
That's good.
But I'm a big water. A lot of people don't like water.
I only like homemade root beer. The root beer from the bottles or keep stirring. Gross.
So how much of that extract do you put in?
All of it. And I've got the one that comes up. This is a 5-gallon jug. It comes up to about right here, 3 gallons. And we've never drank it all yet. I've always had to throw out a little bit. Okay.
Well, with this many grandkids, we ought to get rid of it all today.
Okay, so the next step inside of here is a block of dry ice.
Well, not all of it.
I thought that was a child. That was the worst
Jen?
sound. It just sounded like a kid. I was like, get the car ready, Joel. We're going to the hospital.
Jen, do you want to drop that one more time? Because it ought to be, break it up a lot.
And it'll freeze your hand in seconds.
Have mercy, Mom!
All right, here goes.
right? I don't want to touch it with my hand.
I know. I'm like, I should have a.
Uncle Landon should have
A glove?
So, Grandma, there's 5 cups of sugar in that?
Yes, there's 5 cups of sugar.
That's a lot of sugar.
And then these are, yeah, I should have a little glove on.
Is it still pretty cold?
I love this part.
Really cold.
Cooper, come here, bud.
It's already.
Oh.
Wow, that's a.
And let me tell you a secret about this. You've got to keep it stirred down there or the spigot will freeze.
It'll all settle down there by the spigot, freeze, and you won't get no root beer.
That was
It looks like you're making a potion.
It smells so good. Like butterbeer.
It does.
Go to Harry Potter Land. It's got all of this theme stuff, and it smells like
Harry Potter world.
Okay, I think what we're going to do at this point.
And don't cover it
Well,
completely.
Okay, see these holes?
Yeah.
That's what vents the pressure. So you can set that down, you know, that far down, and it'll let that pressure out.
But don't close it down too far.
Well, no, that.
Yeah. Because it's
what
hard
I-
to lift off. It's hard.
No, that's what I was explaining.
Yeah.
You don't push it down. So you see these vents here, venting the pressure. Push it all the way down.
And that'll
that
go
pressure
sky
will
high.
build, and it'll pop the top.
What? Hey, Jolie.
Yeah?
Be careful.
Okay. I'm trying to make room.
That's a.
That's delicious.
See, and what I think may happen when you pour a drink, that dry ice starts to form.
Yeah. So it's all right. So that's got half the sugar in it. We don't need any more, do we?
It tastes different than normal, but it's still really, really good.
Do you think we should put more sugar in it? Okay. Okay, so I've had a few complaints about my root beer. Everybody's saying it doesn't taste quite the same, so I went ahead and added it all.
She's trying to make diet root beer here. We're on vacation.
Diet Coke root beer?
Man, that smells good.
Is that better?
What do you think?
Wait. It's good.
Is it good?
Let me try. What it tastes.
Let's see. Oh, yeah. There we go.
Okay.
So was it that whole thing of sugar?
Well, no, there was 10 cups in it though.
Oh,
Yeah.
10 cups.
Yeah. Landon. I don't know if you can see it. But Landon just paddled over there and got one of the kids. The water's starting to get a little rougher. So my guess is we'll be calling it a day. We have spent 3 days here on this shore and have just loved every minute of it. It has been so fun. Tonight we'll probably try and put the kids to bed a little bit early, and we will sit around in a circle, and Jared brought his guitar, so we're gonna have some entertainment and sing along, and it'll just be a great evening and close to our vlog. So I will leave it here and say goodbye and tell you thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of our family here, and if you've enjoyed this vlog, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
What did you
Are you still filming?
Well,
Did you say?
I'm waiting for a good part.
You want to play mom?
I think that's so beautiful. I love when he goes in.
And no, don't change the subject. I will fight the fight and win the war. For your love, for your praise, and I'll love you till my dying days. When you're gone, I'll go mad. I'll kill your friends and family to remind you of my love. It's Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry.
tell you why we love this song is when Jared and I first got married, we were driving in the Prism to Jared's family's cabin, and what was the boys' song that came on first? There was 2 songs that day.
I can't remember the other one.
It was when we were trying to get pregnant, and it was like
Danny's song.
Yeah, and so like we like cried.
Have a son.
Yeah. So then like we bawled listening to that, and then like we were poor college students, and the next song that came on was Ingrid Michaelson.
You and I.
And it's like when we get rich, we'll buy our homes, our parents' homes in the south of France. And then we heard that song, and we're like, we're gonna get rich, and we're gonna give our parents money, and.
So we're so happy to let you guys know that in the south of France, there's a place with your name.
I knew it.
No one.
Don't you worry there, my honey. We might not have any money, but we've got our love to pay the bills. Maybe I think you're cute and funny. Maybe I wanna do what bunnies do with you, if you know what I mean. Oh, let's get rich and buy our parents' homes in the south of France. Let's get rich and give everybody nice sweaters and teach them how to dance. Let's get rich and
I don't know how to do it.
house on a mountain, making everybody look like ants. We're way up there, you and I, you and I.
Picture Boo next to you. Say cheese. You look just like her.
Stay with me. Stay and you will see all the things you make me feel. You and me are something real. That I am more than just a friend, and I will be that too.